How to install your bathroom curtain with waterproof layer. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to install it. Once you open the package, you'll find the following items included: a curtain panel, a waterproof layer, and adjustable pin hooks. Here is the tool needed for installation. Make sure to prepare it in advance. Okay, let's get started. Insert the adjustable curtain hooks carefully into the tape pocket behind each pleat. Hang the curtain on the rod and check that it sits at your desired position. To lower the curtain, slide the hook's ratchet mechanism downward. Remove the curtain from the rod. Take out the waterproof layer with the nickel grommet header. Thread the eyelets of the layer onto the tail end of each pin hook. Hang the hooks back onto the rod rings. Finally, align each eyelet with the ring so the panels hang neatly in place. That's it! Your bathroom curtain with waterproof layer is ready to go.